It once housed the tallest buildings at the East Tennessee Technology Park. Now, the site of the former Centrifuge Complex is cleared and ready for industrial development. The Centrifuge Complex was one of the final collection of buildings to be demolished as workers completed the first ever cleanup of a former uranium enrichment complex last year. It was built in stages to develop, test, and demonstrate the capability of centrifuge technology for uranium enrichment. The last of these facilities ceased operation in the mid-1980s. Crews were able to tear down the buildings in less than 8 months after deactivation was complete. Left behind from the cleanup was a massive concrete slab spanning an area that could cover 4 football fields. To remove the slab, workers excavated large amounts of reinforced concrete, asphalt, and soil.
It was roughly around 235,000 square feet of concrete that we were tasked with removing, at which point we then started site restoration and brought in just over 65,000 cubic yards of clean backfill to restore the site. Fortunately, we were allowed to use some clean fill off of another project here at the ETTP site, and it saved this project right around $200,000. You can see here beside me, it was a very successful project. A lot of that is attributed to our skilled workforce. Those guys are phenomenal, and if not for them, we would not be successful in completing this project.
Removing the slab and restoring the site is another significant step in EM's efforts to transform ETTP into a multi-use industrial park. The facility's footprint falls in the area of a proposed general aviation airport planned at the site.
So the benefit to the community here in Oak Ridge is multifaceted from the EM program. We're making good on cleaning up from the legacy contamination that was here and being able to make land available back to the community to reuse at East Tennessee Technology Park.